Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get walkie-talkie in Little Company. To do this, first we'll need to approach our terminal, click on E, and here open a store. So you need to enter it on your keyboard. That way you can see the full walkie-talkie, which costs 12 of the currency that you can see in the top left corner of the screen. Now we need to enter walkie/talkie. Hopefully okay, like this, and hit the enter. Now we need to confirm the order, and then go out of your ship and look around. Some small ship should arrive with your cargo. Here it is. Now we can go out, approach this ship and open the cargo, and somewhere around you should receive your walkie-talkie. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.